Let me show you about the dashboard, the second item on the menu. The first part is about Marketplace. That is basically the same section as here, where we show you when we have new products. The second section, which is all of this, is the basic information about the test hotel, OMED hotel. First block is the property information. Second block is the status. Here you can see that this hotel is inactive. I can activate it by just clicking here. You can also inactivate it very easy when it's active by clicking the same button. Before you activate a hotel, look at the preview button. Let me show you here what is available. Basically, for this hotel, we show for a period the pricing. So you can check, for instance, we look here at October for a couple of nights. We search and we can check if the rates are what we understand they should be. For the photos, I can see here the photos. In this case, I also have a video that is uploaded. So in that sense, you can do all your checks. You can view packages, etc. All right. So going back, I will show you Marketplace. Here we have items that are available for you, and you can have cheap monthly items, or you can have more expensive one-off items. In this case, it will be creation of a complete website. We have other products, and I suggest that you go to this part and check what might be available and good for you. Notifications, this is in case you have any standard notifications. Bookings, here you have the bookings, and you can click further to get more information. To go back, just click the button up in the screen. Documentation. Every screen has one video button and one question mark button. This is for documentation, and here we have a complete overview of our documentation. So here, this is a lot of information that you might be interested to read about. And then here on the side, we have specific items that you might want to read about in bigger detail. Just click an item and you will be able to understand more about it. So in this case, I will go back to the dashboard. Videos, same thing as documentation. Preview, I showed you already. Profile completion, in this case, is 93%. Here I have basically the only thing that is outstanding, awareness. So if I click these items, I can bring it up to 100%. It's not required you do it up to 100%. I would say if you're at the 70-80% mark, you have done a pretty good job. All right, that's it. Thank you.